each other. There is no path to peace. Peace is a path on its own. Good morning all. Today is 21st September 2021. Every year on this day, International Peace Day is celebrated all across the world with glee and joy. Dove with an olive branch is considered as an ambassador of peace. Peace means freedom. Peace means the feeling of comfort, and peace means freedom from war and terror. These three words are enough to explain real peace. Peace is necessary for the existence of this world.
Peace begins with a smile. Peace begins with not hurting others. Peace begins with honesty and trust. Peace begins with showing cooperation and respect. World peace will start when the people stop fighting amongst each other and start living in harmony. World peace begins with me. What is peace for you?
Being loved, peace is loving all others with our heart, peace is being fair, and peace is feeling safe. What is it that the whole world wants? It's something that everyone is looking for. Yes, peace is the blanket that covers the whole world with happiness. Peace is a song that brightens our day. It's a state of harmony, like a still pond with no ripple. Peace is to be calm, to be in the now. Peace is freedom from all our agitations. To me, peace is in the silence between two sounds. It's our essence, our nature, and offering from us to the whole world. Be peaceful. Thank you, teacher, and my dear friends. My name is Adamya Ayansh. I study in senior KGA. Today I am going to tell you about International Peace Day. International Peace Day is celebrated on 21st September of every year. What is peace? Peace is something that I get after doing something that I want to do. When I complete all of my homework and all of my tasks, that's the peace for me. When I do yoga and exercise, I feel peace. When I visit the hill station with my mom and dad, I feel peace in the lap of nature. Thank you. For me, peace is being with my family, and the whole world wants peace too. So every year we celebrate International Peace Day on 21st September. On this special day, people from all over the world agree to work with peace and harmony. The first Peace Day was celebrated 40 years ago in 1981 in United States. Each year, Peace Day is celebrated based on a different theme. The theme for this year is recovering better for an equitable and sustainable world. Peace Day celebrations include the act of setting white doves free as a symbol of peace and freedom. People pledge to live with harmony and friendship. Friends, let us also pledge this promise for a bright and a friendly future. Thank you. Hello, my dear friends. Every morning when I wake up and look outside the window, I see bright sunshine and greenery around. The chirping of the birds fill my heart with happiness and makes me smile. And peace begins with a smile. Thank you.
Peace begins with smile. There's a very famous saying of Mother Teresa. Peace begins with smile. It is so simple, but it seems to be impossible. It is very true. I could have a worse day in my life. But the moment someone offers me a simple smile, my day gets a little brighter and my burden gets a little lighter. Making difference in someone's day doesn't mean that you have to pay their Starbucks order or wash their car. Making difference means being a person weaving by the neighborhood as we pass by or smiling at them. You really never know what someone is going through internally, and these simple gestures can really change the world around. Thank you.
Peace is something you make, not something you wish for. The International Day of Peace was established in 1981 by the United Nations General Assembly. The United Nations International Day of Peace is celebrated on September 21st each year to recognize the effort of those who have worked hard to end conflict and promote peace. The International Day of Peace is also a day of ceasefire, personal or political.
The 2021 theme of the International Day of Peace is Recovering Better for an Equal and Sustainable World. The United Nations Peace Bell is rung at the UN headquarters in New York City. The bell is cast from coins donated by children from all continents except Africa and was a gift from the United Nations Association of Japan as a reminder of the human cost of war. The inscription beside it reads, "Long live absolute world peace." Let us all join our hands and unitedly pray for peace.
Make me a channel of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me bring your love. Where there is injury, your pardon, Lord. And where there's doubt, true faith in you.
Each time I hear and say this prayer, my resolve becomes deeper and stronger to be a messenger of peace. The first Peace Day was celebrated in 1982 on the third Tuesday each year until 2002. Later, September 21st became the permanent date as International Day of Peace. This year, as we heal from the pandemic COVID-19, we are inspired to think creatively and collectively to help others recover better, develop resilience, and build a sustainable world.
Peace is the cornerstone of every nation's development as it comes with unity, positive thinking, and collaboration for the common good of all. We know peace is much more than a world free of war. It means resilient, stable societies where everyone can enjoy fundamental freedom and thrive rather than struggle to meet basic needs. For the community to thrive, individuals of the society should have inner peace, which is done by meditation and yoga in India.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love.
A nation can achieve economic development through world peace. Many countries have invented dangerous weapons and declared war. If no restrictions are imposed on them, the modern world may get wiped out. Thus, the United Nations invites all nations to commemorate the day with a ceasefire and complete non-war.
Peace. Interesting word. And you know, for this word, there is a whole day to celebrate it for the International Day of Peace. Well, it was introduced to us by the United Nations General Assembly in 1981. All international communities today face an urgent issue, that is world peace. Any single wrong move sets a blaze throwing overboard all that mankind has achieved to maintain peace. What happens in one part of the world has its consequences in other parts of the world too. Hence, the issue of world peace is a universal problem. World peace means cooperation between countries without any violence. The definition of peace also means presence of law and justice in a country. This planet is facing so many problems right now that it is difficult for one country to solve them. For example, we can neither prevent global warming alone nor the wastage of natural resources. However, if all the countries cooperate together with peace, we can reverse this destruction. It is high time effective measures be taken by the United Nations to prevent this destruction. Maybe by strictly stopping the use of force or weapons. World peace can also be achieved by encouraging globalization. A country can achieve peace if the people living there understand the importance of peace and implement it in their daily lives. We should put all our differences aside and just cooperate without caring who our neighbor is. And I have something for you. Well, this, as you know, is our world today. But I hope that this would be our world tomorrow, with no borders, boundaries, or limits. Thank you.
World peace is the wish of everyone, be it a king or a pauper. If we have to bring peace to this world, it needs to begin with children. Artists, painters, singers, and many other celebrities from different walks of life have given the message on peace in their way. World famous peace leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Mother Teresa, and Gautam Buddha have believed and preached to global citizens on world peace. So let us make our world a better place.